Minyi Guo is the Zhiyuan Chair Professor and the Department of Computer Science and Engineering Director of the Embedded and Pervasive Computing Center at Shanghai Jiao Tong University. He has made extraordinary achievements in advancing resource efficiency for the cloud. His work touches almost every major layer of the cloud, and his accomplishments are evidenced by foundational breakthroughs in both research and important commercial applications. His work on managing heterogeneous cloud infrastructure has fundamentally improved the efficiency of cloud service. His current research interests include parallel and distributed computing, compiler optimizations, big data, and cloud computing. He has more than 400 publications in major journals and international conferences and has received 7 Best Paper Awards.
So most of my favorite design have incorporated insights from my experience with production systems. So I collaborate with industry very deeply. Maybe my advantage is I pay more attention to learn from the real world and then solve the real problems. I always tell my students, our research goal is solving the real problems, not just publish paper and teaching in university. We need to enter the real world to solve the problems. Computer science develops very fast, so many new concepts and new techniques are constantly emerge. So we need to learn continuously.
For contributions to energy-efficient circuits and architectures and related design methods and tools, we present the 2023 Edward J. McCluskey Technical Achievement Award to Minyi Guo.